are going in the car wash. I'm not really opening my eyes. And we just came from the eye doctor and stuff. So, yeah. It's really bright outside. So, we're on the way to the car wash. As you can see on other stuff. So, I will see you guys when we're in the car wash. So, yeah. So, I just wanted to show you guys this. This is what you gotta do in order to get in for the super line. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get in the car wash. Here's some part of the car wash, but we're not fully in the car wash yet. But I want to show you guys this. So I'm just gonna show you guys this part. As you guys can see me in the camera. So yep, I'll see you guys when we get in the car wash. So we're in the car wash, yeah. So we're going in. Do you see all the colors? They so light. Look at the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. It's like we going in right now. Look at all these pretty colors. Look at, and then guess what? Look, it's just getting your car. Yeah. La, 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 la. Yeah, this is amazing. I can't even. And then look at the book bag. It's good. No, the monster coming, the monster. Those things are monsters. It's more like candy in here. And then you see the little squirters? They're right there. Now look at the car what? Oh, we about to get out to say. So y'all. Oh, I'm getting wet. Yeah. Guys, I just got wet. It got wet. I just got wet. I got wet like car wash water. I never knew that was possible. That's happened to me. What? Clean this up, Oscar. So yeah, we just waiting. We about to start getting dried off in the second finals. And the line just stopped, so I just don't know. It never stops in the middle. So that was so. Oh shoot, look at all that water dripping. Oh, you see the back? Oh, look at the front. Oh, look at the gate opening up. Oh, that looks so red. Y'all hear that? Look at that. I'm never so close with you guys. Woo! Look at that. Oh, shoot. It's pushing us. It's pushing us back. Woo! Look at the fire. Look at the fire. That's fire. That's real fire. I know it's fire. Okay, y'all. So that was the car wash. It's so bright outside. Today's a really nice. Ow, my eyes, I can't see. I need some sunglasses. These hurt my eyes. My eyes. We are. So now we're gonna get the inside done. We're gonna go inside for a while. We're gonna get the inside done, y'all. I'm so close to the camera. So close. Oh, I'm so close to the camera. I don't want to get seen. It's just so much sun, y'all. So I'll see you guys when we get inside. Bye. We're almost in the place part, and we going in the inside and all this other stuff. They closed it because we're next. But we gotta get out and all this other stuff and go inside. But y'all see me right now. I'm on YouTube. We got a YouTube channel. I gotta edit this, and we're gonna be having some fun. So, yep. So there goes somebody. They're about to come to get us, I believe. So yeah, sorry if the camera's moving a lot. Just be moving around, coming to different places. So yeah, nope. The person's coming. Hello.
fault. Well, you didn't tell me. Can you pop this around for me?
Okay, you turn. Hi, guys. Okay, so we're still in here. We're going here and show you guys. Okay, so we're in here. We're finally in. That's our car over there. It's outside. And we're inside. We can still watch our stuff because it's just the windows over there. Oh, and they got a snack machine, some juicing machines. But we about to go get something to eat, so don't matter. Somebody got that. Yes, it's hot. It's hot as they don't touch. So guys, it's so cold.
That's a natural skincare line, and that there are so many different products, and so again, we can get really specific for each individual client throughout the year and throughout life.
Walking around, peace holiday.
Joe, what is the hair color and cut trend?
Well, the trends are leading more and more towards pastel. It's not great commercial wear all the time,
Old.
but it's certainly suits people. We see a lot of people just that they wear pieces.
It's January, guys.
Highlights. So that's what trend and color is going.
It's January 30th. It's January 30th.
You see in a lot of the paper magazines that.
Then we got one more day, so it's tomorrow, and then it's gonna be February 1st. So, yep. We just did here in the fireplace, and my feet is cold as ever. This is how cool how they got this part, the gold surrounding it. That's cool. You see all the other wires and stuff there. So, if you're watching this video, you have never been inside of a car wash part like this part, make sure like today because I'm going to show you some stuff that's cool. So here's them. This is where they dry their car off and they come from the car wash. And if they want to get their car, the inside of their car, see that? That's how you get the inside of your car. And the people are in there. And the things that, oh, see, this thing is moving. So, yeah, the thing will start moving. So, the little lily pad thingy will start moving like the trampo, but it won't move as fast. You could make it faster, but they didn't say that because they gotta get it. That car is not done, I guess. I don't know. So, somebody's still working on that car. So this car right here is just really clean. Our car is back behind that car. I believe so. So yeah. We're gonna go to Wendy's to eat. So yep. So we're gonna go to Wendy's and eat, and then we're gonna do some other stuff. What we gonna do after we go eat?
Go see if you see the car down there, Mila.
Okie dokie. So guys, we're gonna come down here, see if we see the car. That's somebody else's car right there. Our car is in behind that car. So our car is like this. I'm gonna get it cleaned out. So yeah. So bubble. So yeah, behind. Yeah, it's behind the car. Yeah, car out there. Why is it so light? So, you guys do not know what a car wash is. It's literally simple. It's just when you go get your car cleaned. This hurts. See why? So, I'm probably gonna do another video. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have you guys look at me. So I will see. So you guys will be looking at me. So I'll see you later. Okay, so guys, my eyes hurt. So I'm not having my eyes open. So you guys can. So it's January 30th, And I think I'm gonna do another video where we actually, I think I'm gonna do another video. Probably we go to Wendy's, which is not too long after we get our car clean. We're gonna go to Wendy's and do all this other fun stuff, I guess. So I'll see you guys there. Look.